Instantly connect inbound calls to your Twilio Studio flows with this simple setup. First, log into your Twilio console from the left-hand navigation menu, locate and click on phone numbers. Here, you'll see a list of all your active Twilio numbers. Click on the specific number you wish to configure for your Twilio Studio flow. On the numbers configuration page, scroll down until you find the voice and fax section. This is where you tell Twilio what to do when a call comes in. Under the call comes in heading, you'll see a drop-down menu. Change this option from webhook to Studio Flow. Once you select Studio Flow, a new drop-down menu will appear from this list. Choose the specific Twilio Studio Flow you want this number to execute when it receives an incoming call. After selecting your desired Studio Flow, it's crucial to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to apply your changes. And just like that, any incoming call to this Twilio number will now seamlessly trigger your chosen Twilio Studio workflow, giving you complete control over your call interactions.